Hello friends, here I am with a new video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create a wedding photography website. So let's suppose if you have a wedding photography business and you are a photographer and you want to make your website live and you want to show your clients your pictures and whatever you clicks, right? So how can you create a wedding photography website? We have a theme here that's called Chakrala Wedding Photography WordPress theme. I'm going to show you how you can install this theme and a step-by-step tutorial to create a wedding photography website. So first of all, let me show you the overview of this theme, how this theme look like. We have a 6 demos here, but I am going to install the first demo and show you the first demo looks. Here is the preloader and then the website loads. It's a very fast website created with Elementor. So here is the logo, here is the menu, here is the images slider, here is the overview of yourself with your image and a signature. Next is the portfolio recent wedding. It's a post widget. Here you can add your new posts. And next is testimonial, clients reviews, and a client slider, the companies and the partners, whatever you want to add the slider of logos. Next is footer. So here is the footer menu and a logo next to Instagram, Facebook and social links. Okay, it's a second social menu. So let me show you how can you download this theme without any money. So guys, for downloading this theme, I'm going to show you how you can download it. First of all, you need to visit my website. It's getintopocket.com, and you can see here this theme post. Okay, you can search also here and you will find it out. I will give you the link in description for it. Just open it and swipe to the end of this post. Here is the downloading link appear after some seconds. You can wait for it and download it from here. So here is the downloading link. Just click on it and you will see a zip here, and the file is here. You can download from here. Okay, I have this already, so that's why I'm going to skip this part. Next step is that how can you install this theme and customize it. Okay, so next step is that how can you install this theme and customize it. So first of all, what we need to do is go to appearance, and in the themes we will add new and upload our theme here. Okay, so I have the theme files here. You need to upload both step by step, but let me show you one thing. This theme have a high volume, 44 MB, so that's why we are not able to install it, or you will face some difficulties from installing this theme here. Okay, so first what we need to do is we need to go to cPanel and upload this file manually. So here is my theme cPanel folder, and in file manager what we need to do is we need to go to WP content themes, and here is the theme I recently installed. What we need to do is just drag our file here. Okay, so I'm going to drag it. What happened? So I'm going to drag it here. Sorry. We need to upload it. So I'm going to drag it here and it's going to be upload. So the uploading process is done. Just go back and refresh it. So here is the beautiful content and themes. Here is the file. Just extract it. It's done. So here is the theme file. You just need to delete this zip file. Okay, just delete it and skip to trash. So we get back to the themes, click on themes, and here you will see you have a theme called Scrolla Wedding Photography Theme. Activate it and then add new, upload again. Now we are going to upload the child theme here. Drag it here, click on install and click on activate. Now the next step is that we are going to upload its plugin and activate all the plugin we need to customize this theme. Just click on select all, install and apply. It's done. Go back to plugin installer and activate these all themes. And that's it. We have the theme installed. Go back to dashboard and what we need to do is just install the demo. So in appearance we will see here import demo data. Click on it. So we have a one-click demo importer here. Just click on which demo you want, but I'm going to install the homepage one because I like it. So for preview you will click on it and you will see the same preview we just clicked here. Okay, get back to it and import demo. Don't need to click on this. Continue and import. Wait for some seconds. Okay, so demo is imported now. So we are going to visit how the website look like. Here's the preloader and here is our logo and here is the menu. It's not visible. I will show you how you can set up this header, and here is the everything we was talking about. So what is the next step is to customize the header. So we are here to customize the header section. So as you can see, here is logo text and our menu is not appear here. How can we customize this header? So first of all, what we need to do is add the menu here. So how can it will be visible? Just click on here and go to theme customization. And the next thing is that we need to go to the menus, and we have a lot of menu. You can create your own menu, but here is the primary menu and we are going to select it to appear here. Okay, so just click on primary navigation menu and select it as primary menu. So here is a menu. Just click on publish, go back to dashboard, and now what is the next step? We are going to change this. Let me refresh it to show you. The menu is appear here. What we need to do is change this logo text and also the preloader text. The preloader is that when we click on here, you can see the preloader appears here. So for this we are going to theme options and header settings. Okay, sorry, general settings. So here we have general settings. The preloader is preloader here. Just click and change it to what we want. I'm going to add my name here, and logo text also I'm going to add the name, and just click on save changes. Go back and refresh it. You will see here is sharjeeldar, and here is also my name in the logo section. You can add your website name here. Okay. Okay, the next step is we are going to customize this footer section. As we know, the menu is not appearing here. Just click back to here and click on footer settings. Footer description, where is it written? Okay, so next is menu title. Here is the menu title. Just write something else here. And social network title, whatever is the next title, so you can add here follow us. Click on refresh and see if the changes appears here. Okay, the changes appear here, and now we are going to change the menu here. Okay, for menu addition we are going back to the customize section, and click on menus. Select the menu you want to add in footer and mark it as footer menu. Click on save. Go back and click on refresh, and here is your footer menu. Here is your social media menu. If you want to add links here, just click back here, go back and click on footer setting in theme options. Here is the general setting, and here you will find each and every link you want to add in footer. Okay, so here is the next important step. How can we customize the pages and change each and everything? So I will show you how you can change everything here. Okay, first thing is that you want to change this page. Just click on edit page, and let me show you one more thing here. Just click on edit with Elementor. So here is something very important. Here is the images, slider images. Just click on this and you will see a lot of images. Just you can change it from here. And next is, okay, let me swipe it down. Next is the overview. Just click here and you will see the image. You can change it from here, and here is the hello there text. Here is I am Caroline. Okay, so here is the paragraph, and next is signature at the end. You will change each and everything here. And here is the post widget. Just click on it and change the text recent wedding portfolio and the countdown of your. I'm going to change it to 2 because the third image is not appearing here. Wait for it. Okay, what is it? So let me change it to 3 and change its order to descending. Now it's looking perfect. You can add your recent post, you can change your layout, you can hide your heading and subheading here. Just click on update, and the next is footers. Again, just go back and open this site again. On next page is about us page. Okay, let me show you first the changes. Here is the post changes, it's updated. Go on about us page, and here is your about. You can change the about me, wedding photographer, text. How can you change? Just click on edit with Elementor, and here is the text. Oh, sorry. And here is the text. Just click on it. About me, wedding photographer, and the background image of your slider. Okay, the next thing is Sam, the overview and picture signature. Here is the travel dates. You can change everything here just clicking on it and nothing else here. Okay, go back. And next page is information page. Information page is a price and plan page. Here is the prices and plan. You can see your prices here, pre-wedding and everything, your plans, whatever. The price is written here in euros. You can change it to dollars and somewhere else. And you will see here a lot of pages like blogs, subtitle, archive page. Here is the blogs in this post, and also in blog page we see the images with blogs. You can change it to something other. You can change the pages. Here is the frequency asked question page. In this page you will see a lot of questions and answers. You will add the pre-built question and answers here for your website. How can you edit? Click on edit with Elementor. Wait for it. All the questions answers here. And next is price plans again, and the prices. Close it and go back to contact page. Here is the contact page. In this page you will see some written, some contact details like phone number, emails, and a contact form. So here is your website, bro. If you need any other customization, you can ask me in comment. I will give you a complete guide of how can you make everything happen. So if you like my video, click on like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.